Stable operation of a transformer depends on many factors. One of the key factors is the quality of insulating oil. As time goes by, there occurs ingress of moisture, gases, and particulate matter in oil, which may cause serious malfunctions. It is better to prevent these problems rather than deal with their consequences later. For this purpose, at the request of power engineers, Fluidex has developed a powerful, reliable, and practicable FLD 53D plant that allows for quick, efficient, and effortless purification of oil, greatly simplifying the maintenance of any type of transformers. Why FLD 53D? Firstly, it has a capacity of up to 53 gallons of oil per minute in degassing mode and up to 70 gallons of oil per minute in heating and filtration mode. This is quite sufficient for servicing both small and large transformers without long downtimes. Secondly, it delivers high quality of oil processing. In a single run through the FLD 53D plant, the volumetric gas content will be reduced to just 0.1%, the moisture content to 5 ppm or less, and the breakdown voltage will increase to at least 75 kilovolts. Thirdly, the FLD 53D plant is designed for convenient operation. The plant is easy to transport owing to its compact dimensions and the ability to be mounted on a double-axle trailer. If the equipment is installed on a trailer, simply attach it to the vehicle, and the plant is already on the way to its operation site. In situ, it's just as simple. Attach the supports, connect power and the oil supply lines, select the desired mode, and FLD 53D will do the rest automatically. Particular attention is given to durability. FLD 53D is made of robust and durable materials specifically treated and resistant to corrosion. This design ensures stable operation for many years, even in difficult operating conditions. For additional safety and functionality, the plant can be completed with moisture sensors, a built-in breakdown voltage tester, an oil flow meter, and a transformer oil level monitoring system. This allows FLD 53D to operate even on a transformer connected to the mains without the risk of oil leaks. The Fluidex plant also features a separate vacuumizing outlet, so if required, this can ensure oil heating and purification, as well as transformer evacuation. In short, this equipment is designed for those who appreciate reliability, performance, and convenient operation. If you would like to learn more about the capabilities of FLD 53D, please visit the website www.fluidex or submit your questions in the comments section. We are willing to help you find the best solution for your transformer.